Now, number 4 is inventory management. Inventory management is a very, very important tool. We all need to manage our inventory. What is inventory? This might be new to us. To some people, this might be what we already know. Inventory basically means your stock. Okay, stock, taking account of your stock. Your stock could mean your uniforms if you're a security company. For a bakery, it could mean your loaves of bread. It could also go far to your flour, your milk, your sugar, your everything, your eggs. Those are your stocks. Supermarkets, maybe what you sell, bread, this, that, everything that comes in, you always need to count them. So you need to so when you have a business, you cannot, as an entrepreneur, you cannot come and kill yourself. You can't do everything. Yes, you have started, but after a while you realize that you can't do everything. When I started my business, someone was even saying that I cannot be counting uniform. Yes, I know I can't be counting uniform, but this is the first time I'm doing it. It's a new business, so I have to count the uniform. So you have to take records of everything you do. So even if you have a storekeeper that counts your uniforms, that counts your bread, that counts your this and everything, you also need that storekeeper needs to be monitored by an internal auditor that is impartial, that is disciplined. Mostly get an accountant, because accountants are trained to have this code of ethics in them, especially chartered accountants. If you mess up, they'll withdraw your license from you. I mean, they can withdraw your being chartered and all. So as in, it's someone that is a professional, someone that knows what to do, does not want anything, doesn't want to face any penalty by the institute. So getting such kind of people, or as your own, if you cannot afford such person, get a storekeeper. After a while though, you see that it's necessary, but you also need to monitor, supervision in every business you do is very, very important. Let me give you an example. I have an aunt, or should I say, I have someone I know. I don't want to disclose who the person is. She has a school, and she goes to her school every day. And I'm like, why do you need to go to your school? Are you not a boss? She was like, I have to go to my school now. If I don't go to my school, what would I be doing? I'll be at home. My teachers will mess me up. She's the one that counts her books. Okay, when they bring it for her suppliers, they count it. She counts them. Okay, they bring it to her office. Maybe at times she counts. Someone counts. She recounts. You need to monitor. Inventory management is very, very important. So as an entrepreneur now, like I said, the tech world is moving so fast. You could also get an online solution stuff like QuickBooks to help you. SOS inventory is also linked to QuickBooks Online, but you can use it as a standalone SOS inventory. You can browse more about it. SOS inventory, so you can just get it for like $30. It's between the range of $30 to $99 if you can afford it. $30 is not that much. That's like, let's say 9,000 or so or more, depending on dollar rates. Dollar rate is always, it can be high today, it can be low tomorrow. So between $30 to $100, you pay for it. You're able to track your inventory, what comes in, what goes out. So it makes things very, 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 very easy. Now everything is so easy right now with technology, so we thank God for that. So I hope we learned something about inventory management, what you could use, which is SOS inventory. It's just like an app. Then also the importance of monitoring your inventory. Always get someone that will monitor your inventory. If you are not there, count it. You could use Excel worksheets. As something is coming in, maybe you have uniforms coming in, you record it. 100 uniforms came in, you gave it to how many people? At the end of the day, maybe you gave it to 50 people. Always do a stock keep of your accounts. Weekly stock keep. Weekly stock counts. Go and count how many stocks you have. So you look at what you had before. So nobody can cheat you. When your workers notice that you're always monitoring their movements, nobody dares cheat you. So inventory management is very, very important for an entrepreneur, for a business. So number